Right now, we are all feeling the pinch because of the high cost of living. Gas prices are climbing, grocery bills are also high, and we're paying more for just about everything. But if you are trying to cut costs in other places, dentists warn, don't skip dental care. Joining us now to talk about it is Dr. Roderick Cooper, a dentist from Tucker. Dr. Cooper, so glad to have you on with us this morning. So as we mentioned, everything seems to be higher right now, but why do you say dental care is one of those areas we don't need to try and skip steps on?
Wow, thank you for having me this morning. Dental care is very important. It's something that you don't need to skip on. Really, it's the foundation for our health. Is that we can do all the things as far as try to take in the healthy foods and the healthy juices and everything. But if we have that bacteria and those bugs in our mouth, I mean, it's really damaging our body, which actually creates more injury to ourselves and actually costs a little bit more. So I think if we actually really take a time to just focus on the minimum things of dental care, it'll save a lot of time, a lot of energy, and a lot of money. It's not something that we want to skip, most definitely.
I know we live in a generation where people think they can go to AI or they can go to TikTok for dental help or advice. What are some of the things you're seeing people do to handle their own dental care, perhaps?
You know, I think a lot of times it's really just people are just skipping out in general. Like it doesn't become a thing of value. And a lot of times, so people are really doing things. I heard people do things from oil pulling to really just even taking in dental instruments from CVS and trying to clean their own teeth, where they're just damaging themselves. I mean, it's a lot of times people are doing things that is not effective. You really need to see these professionals, a professional that's going to sit down with you, take time with you to talk about the things that are going on and give you solutions to your problems. And see, some problems are not necessarily that's obvious to you. So that's why these professionals go to school for years and years and years to get the education so that they can educate people in order to be healthy. I mean, it's very important to lean on someone that is more educated in you and something that you didn't go to school for in order for you to most definitely be healthy. Absolutely. So I think it's important just to leave it to the professionals.
Yeah, rely on the people who know what they're doing. But let's be honest, a lot of people don't necessarily have the resources or the funds to see a dentist regularly. So what are some things they can do if they can't afford a regular checkup?
You know, so I guess the affordability of the regular checkup is actually, I'm going to say a couple $100 a year, you know? So I tell people all the time, because if people get their nails done or get their, their hair done and those different things, again, you can most definitely skip out on some of those things in order to basically just become healthy, right? So a lot of times what we can do is that in some industries or some places is that we have dental offices that actually have health savings plans for them patients. So a lot of patients don't have insurance coverage. A lot of patients can't afford to actually pay for insurance or can't afford to do everything. So a lot of dental offices, like my office out here in Tucker, we actually have a health savings care plan that's for people that do not have insurance. It saves them a lot of money and it saves them a lot of time. So I would say try to reach out to people that have these plans. Try to most definitely see if you can actually do different things as far as create savings for healthcare. Really, it's only a couple dollars a day in order to basically create that savings fund to make sure that you don't have any cavities, to make sure that you don't have any infection in your mouth. Absolutely. There's a lot of opportunities. We just have to get out and talk about it more.
All right, I've got about 30 seconds left, Doc. Before you go, any advice you want to give us in terms of our daily habits or diet that we can all take to improve or at least maintain our dental health?
Yes, I think a couple things are very important. One, drinking more water. Drinking more water to wash away the acid, wash away the sugar. Two, invest in dental floss. Like if you do those two things, you're going to save a lot of time and a lot of money. Invest into dental floss. Those two things, water and flossing, is going to save you a lot of time, a lot of money, and you'll think you'll be healthy.
Yeah, we got to invest in it and also use that floss. That's the thing for a lot of us. We have it.
That's true.
We've got to use it. All right, Doc, we appreciate it. Thanks so much for joining us this morning. We appreciate it.
Thank you for having us.
All right, we'll be right back. Stay with us this morning.